Yeah guys, today I'm going to unbox and test this NEATEST Ultrasonic Cleaner model GTM5, which I got from the seller to show you. And I think it's definitely worth to look into that because it has a dual cleaning function. It has the ultrasound vibration. It has also a UV light. And what's very, very important is that we have good protection for the UV. So it's automatically stopping when we are opening the lid and then working again when we close the lid. And we also want to have some convenience like timers. And so let's check if we really get everything and everything is working here. And so this is the box a little bit closer with some specs, but let's see what's inside. Of course, instructions manual and then the beautiful device, nicely protected. So let's take it out and see what accessories we get. Of course, we get the power supply, even with some nice tweezers for retainers, for example, or jewelry, which also works perfectly here for cleaning. What's absolutely awesome is how long this power cable is. You can see that here, a whopping 71 inches or 1 meter and 80 centimeter. And so it's very easy to open. We remove this pad and then we can see this really nice, beautiful SUS 304 stainless steel, which is an excellent industry standard material for ultrasonic retainer cleaners. It's also known as food grade 18-8 stainless steel. So it provides the necessary corrosion resistance, durability and hygienic standards required for oral care appliances. And so we put everything what we want to clean here inside using these pliers. And you can see the size is really nice. We can even add 2 of the retainers here at the very bottom. So we don't have to add a lot of water. But in general, we can add up to 300 milliliters till the maximum fill level. But of course, as soon as everything is nicely covered, that's enough. Just put it down, that's nicely covered. Then we close the lid and connect the power cable. And then we see the suggestions, for example, 180 seconds, but we can change that 280, 380, 480. Or 90. You can see we can cycle through everything, and when we are ready to use it, we just press this button here and you can see the purple here, which is not the light, it's just an indicator. Because UVC is not visible, it's just an indicator that it's properly working. We can hear a little bit the noise, but it's very quiet actually. Don't have to be worried, absolutely no problem. But we can see also how it's really working, how it's doing something when we see the water reflecting, or actually the light reflecting in the water, that it's really working strong with this 24 watts cleaning vibration power. By the way, you don't have to be worried about the transparency of the lid. It's still nicely filtering the UV light here. And so it's counting down nicely, you can see. And so now it's safe to open. And so we can remove now everything what we have been cleaning. You can see how nice this looks here. Really super clean, absolutely amazing. Yeah, looking good so far. My only complaint here is that it takes quite a lot to stop the UV light. When we open the lid, you can see that here keeps working, keeps working, keeps working. We really have to open it a lot till it really stops the UV light. A little bit too much for my taste, but this is how a lot of these devices work. But my suggestion is to keep the lid closed anyway the whole time while it's working. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to this NEATEST Ultrasonic Cleaner GTM5 down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.